Hey guys, it's MC here. I've got some new features to talk to you about. One of the most requested features that we have had from people who own multiple stores or people who are operating a franchise has been the ability to do store level product localizations, like changing the cost of an item. Right, and a prime example of that is in a rural area, you might be able to sell a pre roll for $8 or $9, but in a metro or a more urban area, you can probably top $10 to $13 for a pre-roll. And again, our system had previously been set up to, once you add the product, the same cost and price was listed for all stores, but not anymore. So I'm logged in with a corporate user, and if you're ready to enable this mode, you just reach out to us and we'll talk to you and walk you through how to do it. But so now they have a new option here called Product Catalog. So I'm going to select Product Catalog, and I've got all these new products here with some new columns that are available for you to see, because we want to be able to show you all of the variants for your products at the same time, as opposed to before all your variants would be tucked in underneath, right? And you had to click in and then make your edits. Now you can see it all at once. So I'm going to go to add a new product. We're just going to call it a new test product for franchises, and we're gonna fill in some of the data that's here and pay close attention to the cost that I set. I'm gonna set a $10 cost and a $45 price. I'm gonna hit save. And now you see that product's created, and oh, I didn't set a variant name, so we'll do variant name 1. Boom, we are there. We've got it. So we've got the variant set. And now, from the corporate level, your job's done. You've put the product in the system. It's available for all stores when they're ready to sell it. So I'm going to log out, and I'm going to show you what I mean. So for a manager or a cashier, someone who's managing your products at the store level, not necessarily the corporate level, they'll be able to log in with their account. And you see they don't have that corporate option here. They're going to go straight to products, product list, and you're going to reach out and say, hey, that product's ready for sale. So they can go to their filters here, and you can see we've got new cost filters and new sales status filters, and they're going to toggle this to not listed for sale. And boom, there's that variant that we just added for them, but it says it's not listed for sale. So we've added these new fields here so you can actually filter on everything and see it, as opposed to having to click inside and kind of see it from that product detail page that we call. So I'm gonna hit the pencil for quick variant edit. That's one of the new features that allows you to see this, and just change it to yes. But maybe the store says, you know what, we're still paying $10 for it, but we're going to be able to sell this for 50. We think we're in a more urban market. We think our customers will support this price point. Hit save. So you see now the product is gone because I listed it for sale. So I'm going to get rid of that filter, and boom, there it is. $10 cost, $50 price for this store. Now, if I toggle back to my corporate view, so this is for my managers out there or store owners, again, and they can go in here to corporate, product catalog, and boom, there's the variant that they put in, $10, $45 cost. So you see what happens here is the price for just that one store changed to 50. Everyone else it's still at 45, and the corporate default is 45. So if you add a new store, they're going to inherit that $45 cost. Again, these new features give you all the ability to get a little bit more flexible and a little bit more granular with how you're running your business, because we all know the cost of a pre-roll in Charlotte, North Carolina could very well be different than Jacksonville, Florida, or Atlanta or New York City. So we want to put these features in here to support our multi-store and franchise groups so they can have just a bit more flexibility and run their business in the way that it naturally would run, right? Costs are different in each and different market. So I want to give you the features to support it. Again, as I mentioned before, this is something that we need to turn on for you. So corporate users, you'll see this. But if you don't reach out and have me turn it on for you, as soon as you add a product, it's automatically going to list in everybody's store. And we don't want that to happen because, one store may not carry a pair of shoes and another store might want to. So this gives you the ability to list it in here and have the individual stores pick and choose when they want to list that product for sale. So again, if anyone has questions, please, please, please feel free to reach out and ask us for some assistance or give us some feedback and ideas. Remember, we can't build the best cannabis software in the world without your feedback and opinion. None of these things that we build are thought up in our own heads. We always take the time to reach out to our partners and validate these ideas and get their feedback, because we haven't gotten here without your support and without your input. And we need it to keep propelling to newer heights. So again, thank you all. And if you have feedback, please reach out. I'd love to hear it.